Recent studies indicate that the seagull's diet consists mainly of sand, rocks, driftwood, and the occasional condom wrapper. But these seagulls aren't as dumb as they look, oh no. They've built in an immunity to hypodermic needles, percussion grenades, and even shark bites. Seagulls spend most of their time doing drugs, drinking malt liquor, staring at the sun, and complaining about things they hate. Which leaves us to believe that all seagulls have originated from San Diego. 90% of our planet's wind is created by the flap of a seagull's wings. The other 12 or 15%?
10%!
Are you sure it's 10%? Because there's that 9 that you have to carry over, and I know it can get a little tricky sometimes, so, you know, maybe 17? 17%? Or maybe 5? Due to recent oil spills, most seagulls are being born without feet. This particular breed of seagull doesn't pay any child support and can't hold down a job.
Damn, that's cold!
This little fellow has spent his morning looking for his car keys. Consumed by failure, he will stare at the ocean thinking of loved ones lost. The mating life of seagulls is unknown to us, mostly because seagulls do not have sex. They find it improper and utterly disgusting. Though through the theory of improbability, we found that a seagull is born every time a seagull is born. There is nothing more beautiful and relaxing than the sounds of the gull. We would like to share a moment with you as we listen to the majesty that is the albatross. As sure as the sun will rise, it will set, and the seagull will spread its hairy lips to the horizon once again. As long as the sea is bitter and the air is crisp, you'll know that the seagull will forever be nature's beach bum, begging for food and releasing its bowels in public domain. Nothing compares to the majesty and grace of this footless, asexual, dirt-eating, wind-blasting, love-sucking, incompetent, impotent, foul-mouthed, scum-sucking, vile-hearted, self-centered, beast-slaying, car-driving, parasitic racist!
You're fucking up our shots, you stupid coons!